Hi there! The visa process took like 15 days, and the package that you're seeing on the screen includes two instruction letters, my COPR, and of course, the counterfoil. So let's go and learn how to apply for visa. Now all you need to do is just follow me. Literally. Over here is the VFS web form. For your reference, I have attached this link in the description box. Just click on it and start filling it. Select your visa category. For me, it was PR. Did you enroll for the biometrics? Of course. Location, New Delhi. Number of passport for submission. You can't really change the number because it's clearly written that one passport is equal to one web form. So if anyone else is accompanying you, you need to create another web form, or you need to fill another web form. Add a PIN code and check if PIN code is serviceable. Okay, so whatever is your PIN code, just write it down and check if it's serviceable. And after that, as soon as it says yes, it's serviceable, this captcha will be removed from here. Okay, so I'll just do it. Okay, so over here, as you can see, I've randomly added a PIN code. Basically, web form is just to see your address, just to note down your address. So please fill up the address very clearly. Okay, fill it up. City, state, PIN code, first name, last name, application number. Now what is application number? Application number is basically UCI, that is unique client identifier. It is mentioned on your ready for visa letter, as well as it's mentioned on your express entry portal on the top right corner. Okay, so please go through it and write it down. Email ID, mobile number, alternate. Over here it's written, would you want paid SMS service? So I didn't really opt it for this, but it's completely depends on your discretion whether you want to opt for it or not. Okay, so as an whatever you want to write, yes or no, just write it down. Now next is, did you avail PL service at the time of enrolling for bio? For most of the cases it's no. PL service is nothing but premium service. So if you have enrolled it in case when you were when you did your biometrics, just click yes and else no. So I clicked no. After that, it's written, please upload your passport submission letter as sent by IRCC. This is the ready for visa letter that you need to upload in PDF form. Okay, now enter the captcha, whatever it's written, YX3FMZ. Then click I acknowledge terms and condition and submit. Okay, as soon as you submit it, you will see you'll get such mails. So first of all, you will get this mail. So I received on 15th October that the payment link will be generated within 3 working days. And after 3 working days, on October 18th, I received this. That was a payment link email, and this payment link is only valid for 12 hours. So please make sure that because some of the candidates get it like in the midnight. So if you are getting it in the midnight and by chance you missed it, no issues, just contact the VFS center and they will generate another link for you. But please try to use the same link. I got it in the afternoon, so I filled it up and paid. So on the same day, I received this email that the pickup would be done in the next 3 to 5 working days. And this was my airway bill number. Of course, it's XXXX. So airway bill number that you need to mention on the package that you are creating. Now what will the package include? The package will include these 3 pointers and anything additional that is asked in the ready for visa email. In my case, it was what is the color of your eyes and what's your height. Okay, so I need to mention that too. So first of all, you need to take a print of attached form. Now what is attached form? The SMS courier return form and the consent form. I'll just show it to you. How does this look like? Okay, the consent form will look like this. So please take a printout of it, fill it up and just include it in your package. Similarly, the courier form will look like this. Take a print, and fill it up. Even though now you must be thinking about, I have not opted for the SMS service, so should I include it or not? Yes, you have to include it. I reconfirmed it because I had the same query. Okay, so they said yes, you have to include. Okay, so please just take a printout of it and fill it up. I will just add both the link of courier as an SMS form as well as consent form in the description box for your reference, so that it becomes easy for you. Okay, next thing that you need to add is passport transmission letter. This is basically your ready for visa letter. Okay, so you need to take a printout of it and add this too. Then online current and valid passport, obviously you will add the passport, right? Now that's it. You don't need to send any additional documents, it's clearly written. Now what I did was I added an A4 size sheet on which it was written what is included. So over here you can see it. This was something that I did. The package includes so and so stuff. Of course, yeah, they also asked me for 2 photographs. Okay, so I just made such kind of stuff, so I also added this thing, and additional information asked by IRCC. That was the additional thing. Okay, so you can do the similar thing. It is better, I think. This is a much clearer format, so I did this. You can do it, it's completely optional. Okay, after that, on the package you need to write to the officer. I have highlighted it. To the officer, VFS Global Canada, not note. Sorry for that. Okay, all right, now I'll advise you that in the bottom left corner, please add your details. For example, from like my name is Harleen Kaur, add the address as well as the phone number. Okay, and the top left corner, please add the airway bill number, like whatever is stated over here. Okay, so for your reference, I'll just show you how I did. I did something kind of this, and yeah, this was the thing that I did. I have not mentioned the airway bill number for now, so you need to add it just over here. Alright, now let's move on to the next email that I received. So next email I received on after 2 days, October 20, and this is your new airway bill number plus the tracking ID. Now, you know, most of the candidates have these questions from, you know, where do I need to put this tracking ID? I'll just show it to you. For the tracking ID, you need to get on to this link. Okay, I'll attach this link too. Here is your tracking ID, add your date of birth, and that's it. Okay, you can track your package from there, and the blue dot tracking is for actually your when the package is returning from the IRCC to the VFS office and to you. So basically the blue dot tracking ID is for that, and the rest of the tracking ID is just to reach the VFS Global, your package reaching the VFS Global. Okay, so after that, on the same day, I received this email where it was written that tracking ID so and so is in transit. So this is what I'm saying, I didn't opted for that SMS form, still I was getting the emails. Okay, so it is completely on your discretion. If you are a person who takes tension really quickly, I will advise you to please opt for the service, courier and service thing. Okay, you need to make extra payment, I guess. Yeah, okay, so I got this on October 20th. After, on the same day only, it says that it has been received by the CVAC, okay, New Delhi, because I'm telling you that it was very close to my house. This is the reason, this is the main reason why I was not taking tension, because I knew that within a day I'll get it. I mean, after the everything was over, within a day I'll get it. Okay, so on the same day I got one more thing, that the envelope for the decision has been processed in the CVAC center, so they also need some information from your package, so they'll take that out and send the rest of the package to the IRCC. All right, now on the same day it's written your application tracking ID this has been received and is under process at the IRCC office. Great. Now after 8 days, or I should say after 7 days, it's written that your tracking ID number this has been dispatched from the IRCC to the CVAC. And on the next day, it's written the decision envelope for your application number this has been received from the IRCC office. That means it has been received by CVAC, and after that you will be getting it. So I got it on the next day. It's written that it has been couriered, and and on the next day I got that in the morning, I guess around 11 a.m. or so. So you can track this in your via that Blue Dart tracking stuff. Okay, the Blue Dart tracking link, you can just go over there and track that. You can also use your tracking ID to track your application when it, by the time it reaches the VFS center.
Super easy. Now you know the drill. Like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.